Hi guys, in today's video, I'll share with you the step-by-step process on how to create a planner or journal to sell on Etsy. Now let's start. First is navigate the Canva application. Then in the homepage of your Canva, just tap create a design. Now in here, all you have to do is to choose a format you want for your template. So for example, I'll be using this portrait. Now in the editing interface, all you have to do is to add text. So it's up to you what design you want. So for now, I'll be using this. You can also change the font by clicking this canvasance. To add table, just click the element section and scroll down and navigate tables. In here, to add a column in your tables, just tap these three dots over the table and then tap add column. To adjust the size of your table, just drag the table. And now, let's add the days. You can also change the text color, so it's up to you. Then at the bottom, you can also add a to-do list. So just tap the element and select a shape. For now, I'll select no color, then add border. Let's also add a line. So you can just group this and then copy and paste so that it won't take much more time creating the sign. So let's just add a text for to-do list. We can also add notes in the right side. So just tap elements, then add shape. So for now, I'll choose no color for this box. Then I'll just add a border. Then let's add text for notes. Now, once you're all satisfied with the design, just tap the share button at the top right corner. Now in here, you need to change the access of your template. Just select the anyone with a link and copy the link. Now, when your customer purchase this template, all you have to do is to send them the link of this template and there you go. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.